Hey guys, just wanted to throw up a quick before and after video of when I got the resonator taken off of my old V6 Mustang and replaced with an H-pipe. I'd researched that the H-pipe was supposed to make it a bit deeper, and not having the resonator would make it a little bit louder and raspier. And that is just what it did. So unfortunately, I didn't get around to taking a after video before one of my neighbors totaled my car. This is actually just a video from before that I'm voicing over. So the Gibson mufflers are definitely meant to work with that Gibson resonator. Taking that off did cause some drone on the highway, so if you drive on the highway a lot, I would not recommend doing that. If you just drive around town most of the time though, it sounds awesome. You get a nice deep throaty sound for a V6, and the drone is hardly noticeable. For more information, check out my website, mustangaddict.com. Drive safe.